Hey guys, it's Mrs. Buckman. I really miss you. So today I'm going to be reading you a story called Zooborns, Zoo Babies from Around the World. There are two authors, Andrew Blyman and Chris Eastland. And I want you to look at the cover of this book for a minute. We're going to be learning about zoo babies from around the world. These are true facts about actual animals that were born in a zoo. And I want you to think a minute. Is this book going to be fiction or is it going to be nonfiction? This is a nonfiction book. It's actually informational text. And so we're going to be looking at lots of baby animals and learning about them. And I want you to think, how are these animals alike and how are these animals different? But I also want you thinking, what are the authors telling me about and what aren't they telling me that I want to know more about? So here is the title page. Why do people include title pages in books? What do you think? Here's our first animal. Hello there. I'm Becco, and I'm an Asian elephant. When I grow up, I'll be one of the largest animals in all the land. But these days, I'm happiest rolling around with my big blue ball. They call me Radar Ears, and I'm a fennec fox. My big ears help me hear yummy insects crawling across the land. Listen, did you hear that? My name is Minari, and I'm a Sumatran orangutan. Check out my bright orange mop top. There's no such thing as a bad hair day for me. Hello, I'm Hoover, and I'm a tawny frogmouth. They call me a frogmouth because of my beak. I can open it really wide. Calling all bugs, it's dinner time. I'm Kai, and I'm a spotted hyena. Don't be fooled by my puppy dog good looks. We hyenas are more related to cats than to dogs. Mom says I'm perfect. My name is Amani, and I'm an aardvark. One day I'll grow into all this extra skin, but for now, I think wrinkles rule. Don't you? I'm Miracle Kitten, and I'm an ocelot. My teeth are starting to come in. Want to see? Ah. Hi, I'm Hassani. I'm a gorilla, and my name means handsome in Swahili. The zookeepers say my name suits me well. I think so too. Kali and Durga here. We're Bengal tiger twins. We look so much alike, sometimes people can't tell us apart. But we bet you can. They call me Ruby, and I'm a kangaroo. What's a gal to do when her fur hasn't grown in yet? Snuggle into this warm and fuzzy blankie, that's what. I'm Tahina, and I'm a crowned safaka. When I was born, my mom couldn't take care of me. So for now, the zookeepers do. They gave me this big teddy bear. So cuddly. My name is Monifa, and I'm a pygmy hippo. We pygmies are the smallest hippos around. But even though I'll always be little, I still have to eat these leafy greens, so I'll grow up strong. Mmm. Good day. I'm Matari, a wombat. I come from Australia, where I love to dig in the dirt. Check out the built-in shovels on my paws. What do you get when you add a zebra's legs to a giraffe's body and then throw in a long blue tongue? Me. My name is Kalispell, and I'm an okapi. And I'm Bella, a beluga whale. As I get older, I'll turn all white like my mom and dad. But you know what will never change? My smile. And that, my loves, is the end of Zooborns. I want you to stop and think about which one of these animals might have been your favorite. How was it alike or how was it different from the other animals that we read about today? I want you to write down one question that you might have after hearing this story and one thing that you really liked about this story. Make sure that you start your sentences and questions with an uppercase letter, use lowercase letters throughout, and you put punctuation at the end. Your mom and dad can take a picture of your work or they can scan it and they can email it to me so I can see how you guys are doing. I love you and I hope that you're staying safe and healthy. Love you.